So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So we know that today the stock has showed same momentum as it showed yesterday, and currently you can see it is trading near the 150 rupees level with almost 18% positive movement. So there are few positive updates related to Adani Power. So what are those updates? We'll try to discuss, and followed by few analysts have given their target rating on Adani Power. So we'll discuss in short term where the stock will be going, and in long term also we'll try to discuss that. So yesterday itself, when you have discussed about Adani Power, so I've clearly explained all the technicals that you need to focus, and today itself in the morning also I've updated in the Telegram. So clearly you can see that when it was trading near the 134 rupees level, almost with 5.59% positive movement, I clearly explained the levels, and many people have entered near that particular region also. So definitely we'll try to update the levels since it has hit the 150 rupees level, and also we'll try to discuss the updates. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group if you have not done that, so you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so first coming to the various analysts who have predicted the target rating of Adani Power. So you can see few analysts have given the target of rupees 200. So clearly you can see, and yesterday's video, especially when we discussed even the Tata Power share, so that time itself I told that you need to focus on the power sector, because in this situation that is the only sector which would be benefited. And you can see almost on June 7th all the electric utility space, basically power segment, you can see all of them have remained in a very good positive region. Especially Adani Power, we know yesterday itself it has given almost 20% positive movement. Okay, so they have also given the stipulated amount of time, like in coming short term also how the stock will be performing. So obviously we know whenever any upside target would be given, so they achieve it in almost 1 to 2 days itself. So they don't wait maximum for 3 to 6 months. So here they have told that 3 to 6 months, but now itself the stock is showing some complete momentum. Okay, so as I told, the power segment is in complete focus. Apart from Adani Power, you can see Torrent Power, Tata Power, as well as NTPC jump on hopes of demand growth. So on that particular note itself, we know whenever Adani Power tries to give a breakout, it gives with huge momentum. It is not like other power stocks. So basically we know the volumes that it generates are pretty high. So that's why whenever it gives 20% movement, again consequently it tries to achieve that same momentum. So that is what we have discussed yesterday, and you can see they are also expecting some huge momentum that would be generated, especially in all the power stocks. And once momentum is being generated, you need to focus on these type of stocks if you're doing any sort of swing or positional trade. Okay, and can you also see the various updates, like power demand is increasing, and due to lockdown relaxations in many states, DISCOM collections are expected to increase. So on this particular note only, so all the power segments are showing the positive moment, and government officials said adding the rupees 3 lakh crore distribution sector scheme announced in the budget is in work. So already we know they are also in progress. Okay, so and all the things, like we know in few states like lockdown is going on, so ultimately we know because of all these things, lockdown across various states, ultimately power segment is in focus. So what these are the updates that they are suggesting. Okay, so focus on all the stocks related to power segment. We have discussed Adani Power, Tata Power, so make sure that you're watching them, and if you're invested. So now let's go to technical charts and we'll see what can be the next possible levels. Okay, and another most important thing is that they're expecting almost the peak hour electricity demand, which should be around 215 gigawatts. So this also you need to understand. So that is almost at all-time high. So when it is going, ultimately all the financials of these companies also will be reflected. Okay, so moving further towards a traded quantity versus a deliverable. So you can see on 7th June, we have seen a 31.4% delivery. So obviously traded quantity will be more. So whenever this blue color, light blue color bar is increasing, it implies that volatility is present in the market. What is volatility? Fluctuations. So that is when stock is going to 20%. So that time traded quantity also increases. But you need to see that deliveries are also maintained at a very good rate, so that we can also expect the further momentum. term. So this is not only for Adani Power, any stock when you're analyzing, try to see how the traded quantity is fluctuating with respect to deliverables. So this is pretty good. So continuously the stock is showing the momentum. So coming to fresh entry, so what can be done? So as I told, don't try to put any sort of bulk investment. So once you're doing one slot of investment, let's say 10 to 15% of your capital, once you're investing, again if it is showing momentum, let it go, hold it. So once again if it shows any correction, so that time try to average it near the levels which we are going to discuss. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1-day chart of Adani Power, and you can see currently it is trading near the 149.35 rupees level with almost 17.61% positive movement. So same momentum on 2 days, both in Telegram have mentioned what to do. So if you have not joined Telegram, do join it so that you will also take any quick trade if you want to do any sort of intraday or swing. So once you see the technical charts clearly, you can see the stock is having some free momentum, okay, till 165 rupees region. So till that particular region the stock can easily go. What is the today's upper circuit? Roughly it's around 160. So once it goes in that particular region, definitely not 160, around 156 I guess. So once it goes into that region, definitely it will be trying to approach the 165 rupees region. So as we know, there is a pivot point. So once it approaches that, definitely we need to watch it very carefully. Okay, so that is going to be the near term resistance, that is around 165. And coming to support regions, you can see 140 is going to be the very good support that you need to watch out in the coming session. So now since it is approaching the 150 rupees region, so closing above that particular region is going to be very important. And we know as various analysts have also given the target related to Adani Power, especially 200 rupees target is been given. So definitely it's worth watching how it will react. So don't invest in heavy quantities. Definitely you can hold it for long term, but for now, since it is moving in a very good pace, you need to control your emotions and you need to invest very cautiously and trade safely, because once you invest and if it shows any correction, you will try to do the panic selling. So that is not encourageable. So once you are patiently investing on each and every level, definitely you can get some very good return for long term. Okay, so if we go a little bit down and if we see the money flow index, so that is near 84. So that is also in a very good region. So completely still not entered into the overbought region. And most importantly, the volumes are also increasing on a regular basis. So when volumes are increasing on steady basis, so we can expect the momentum also to carry forward. Okay, so remember all these things. So near term resistance is 165 and closing above 150 today is very important. So if it hits the upper circuit, well and good. So if you're already invested, hold it. And if you have done any sort of fresh investment, I would suggest you to invest in small portions, and whenever again it corrects, you can average and you can hold it for long term. Okay, and updates also clearly you have discussed, right? So do join the Telegram. So further, if you're having any queries, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.